Welcome to the Savvy Radio Show. Today is Nerd Rock Wednesday, dedicated to helping you learn more about technology to increase yourself and your business empire.
What's going on, Savvy Investor? Today is Nerd Rock Wednesday. I'm a little under the weather, but it's okay. You can deal with this nasalness. It's going to go away in a day or two. So today we're going to talk about Xero. And that's not with a Z, but it's with an X. Xero.com. It is an online accounting software. Okay, so let's get that out of the way. You can do payroll, quotes, invoicing, inventory. Boom. Now, let's talk about QuickBooks for a second. Now, everybody's on QuickBooks nuts. I don't know why every accountant's on QuickBooks nuts. I use QuickBooks, but I'm all about the alternative. Yes, there's got to be a competitor out there. Just a little quick fun fact, 80 to 90% market share is with QuickBooks. Pretty fascinating. They've been dominating for years, and it's about time for disruption. In my world, disruption is Uber. In my world, disruption's Airbnb. There you go. Anyway, so I heard about Xero from an accountant, and a lot of young people are using Xero. A lot of real estate investors are bringing in Xero into their office. So I was like, hey, I'm going to go check out Xero. So far, so good. It's pretty legit. Again, it's an alternative to QuickBooks. What you can do with it, you can if you have QuickBooks, you can convert over to it. Why would you leave QuickBooks? I'm not saying that you should or shouldn't, but if you're starting like a small side hustle, which you should be doing, and you need to be invoicing people, it's pretty reasonably priced. And so I'll break down the pricing in a minute, but payroll is included. So even if there's extras for QuickBooks with Xero, it comes with it. You can, another thing that I like about it, that it has unlimited users. So if you have staff or someone else that needs to log in and look around for you, or do accounts payable, accounts receivable, it's another great tool without any extra money. I know that QuickBooks only limits it to a certain people. So it's pretty cool. Bookkeeping, invoicing, all the basic accounting stuff for small businesses. So the price structure is kind of wanky. It's like $9. You can only do 5 invoices at one time. I mean, that's kind of whack, because hopefully you're billing out way more than 5 invoices. But they do have a special right now for like $6. I'm going to break down the prices here in real big detail. All right, so the prices are normally $9 a month for the starter plan, which they're throwing out a deal for 6 months. It's $6.30. Then it's $9 after that. They got a standard plan, $21 right now, $30 a month, and they got the premium plan. Apparently, these little tricks of how you do pricing. Standard seems to be the most popular, $30 a month. Now, here's the thing. If you do not have accounting experience, that's cool. But here's my, when I talk to young investors, you've got to get software out there running your business. And then it's so much easier for accounting. And obviously it's accounting, but for taxes, for financial statements, you're trying to borrow money, you need to get plugged in. Definitely try a free trial to check it out. So with these services, again, here's a couple cool things that are just different. It's unlimited users, so that's one cool thing. You have support. Now, my general manager, I need some software to run Savvy Investors. I have an accounting bit. It's early in the morning. Please deal with me. But I have, a real estate property management company, and I get other companies that I work with. And so, but I don't really have an exact accounting separate from all my other entities. So I talked to my general manager. I was like, hey, girl, we need software for Savvy in general. And so she's been plugging in and dropping into this thing. And she said to me that the support was kind of wanky. So she said it wasn't any fast response. Now, when I did some quick Google search, FreshBooks had huge reviews on great customer service. So if you need customer service right now, this software may not be the software for you. I know QuickBooks is kind of frustrating because I've had some massive issues with them years ago, but they are the standard. But it's just interesting that there's some other person out there that's competing against the giant big dog. So think of Walmart and Amazon crushed them. I like that. So they do have free 24-hour support, but I don't know if that's actually legit. You can, they have a quick, easy conversion tool from QuickBooks to Xero. Thought that's pretty cool. You can definitely import and export stuff, Excel, CSV. It does prepare your W-2s and 1099s if you got employees. They do payroll. Pretty easy. It's intertwined with some sort of a tax software to do your taxes. I have definitely, a lot of you folks out there use TurboTax. Stop paying for TurboTax. Try something different, but ultimately you should use an accountant. I mean, it's a few dollars more. Why in the world would you go to H&R Block or TurboTax and you're missing out on the greatest and newest stuff or creative ways of tax deductions? I don't want to get into that. Maybe that's in another day. So it also syncs directly to your bank account. There's also a feature for your iPhone or Android apps. Thought that was pretty cool. On the standard, now this is not with the free one, with the standard, which is the $30 one or $21 now, you can do payroll up to 5 people. You can do custom purchase orders. You can easily pay your state tax through ePay and direct deposits in for your checks for your payroll. Thought that's pretty cool. So that's just your not skilled podcast today on Xero, Xero.com. If you're thinking about accounting software or you don't know what you're doing, dive in, get the free trial, try it out. And I really appreciate folks sending me this website. I've already been diving in, already been using it. It's not too complicated. You can figure it out. Whatever you do, go out there and buy assets. My name's Steve Van Kallenberg. I forgot to tell you it's like 4 a.m. I'm the Savvy Landlord. We have other radio episodes at thesavvyradioshow.com.
You have just experienced Nerd Rock Wednesday with your host, the Savvy Landlord. Please leave a comment and stop by our website, SavvyRadioshow.com, for more technology episodes.
Thanks for listening to the Savvy Radio Show. Glide online and listen to our other motivating episodes at SavvyRadioshow.com. Connect on Twitter at LandlordBook and always be buying assets.